Welcome back to Pearl and Never Cowslips here. This is CLE's Language Arts 7, Book 3. Okay, 7th grade, Lesson 6, News Articles. A news article is something that explains quickly what happened in some kind of major event. So suppose there was a
chicken.
Okay, suppose there was a chicken that laid an egg that was 10 centimeters long. Suppose a chicken laid an egg that was 10 centimeters long. That would be something. No screaming like that. That would be something worthy of writing a news article about. Other people might want to know about it. It's a significant event. So what you would do is you would begin writing a news article, and you would say something like, on October 28th, a chicken laid an egg that was 10 centimeters long. And then you might talk to someone. You might talk to the owner of the chicken, and you might ask them questions. So what did you feed this chicken to make it lay such an egg? Or you might say, how old is the chicken? You would ask some questions, and you would write it down in an article. A news article should be true, hopefully is true. And it just states facts. It says exactly what is happening in this situation. So now, you have had a few exercises already where we've not really talked, but you've had in your book, where it's talked about interviewing, how to interview a person, how to ask questions that would interest them. Now, today, you're going to take, or not today yet, but tomorrow in the coming lessons, you're going to take both your interviewing skills and your ability to write a news article, and you're going to write a news article about some kind of event. So you can think about, what is some kind of event, something that happened in the last year or the last couple years, and who is someone you could talk to about that? And then you'll have to go interview that person. You have to go ask that person some questions and put it together in a news article to share some true information, a nonfiction article about what really happened. So if there's a situation you want to write about, you can write about that situation and share the information in a news article that would make sense for us. That is, read your lesson, make sure you understand what a news article is and how to interview, and then choose something. Number 1 says write the topic of the news item you have chosen, so write the topic you want to write about. And number 2, write the names of the people you want to interview. What are some people? And then hopefully sometime you'll get to sit down with them, you'll get to ask them questions, and write up an article that will answer for us some news. Now, let's flip on over to page 22, and I want to read the spelling words to you, the news spelling words, and you guys can repeat them after me. So be there on page 22. Chowder, meringue, bouillon, savory, quiche, edible, mayonnaise, condiment, beverage, nutritious, entree, cappuccino, puree, victuals, biscuit, gelatin, menu, palatable, culinary, sauté. Okay, so there's some new words in there for you. Meringue, sauté. What? Many of them have the roots in the French language, yes. So, do your best.